Have you ever received an irritating call from a salesperson pitching a product immediately after saying hello? That person just cold called you. Cold calling means reaching out to the person for the first time to share who you are, explain how you can help, or open the door to a possible business conversation. Calling someone you don't know for the first time can feel scary and awkward, especially for non-native English speakers. But here's the good news. When done right, a cold call can make a powerful impression in under 30 seconds. Yes, even for you, even in English. Let me show you how. Hi everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, especially if you want to master global business English with confidence. Cold calling done right, real example. I got a cold call the other day, and I've got to say, it was one of the best I've heard in years. Here's what she said. Hi Bruce, this is Olivia from Overseas Education Consulting. Since we haven't spoken before, I'll keep this brief. Wow, no fake small talk, no awkward chatter. Just clear, confident, respectful. Then she followed up with, I saw your talk at the Case Study Expo about private schools in Hawaii and thought our consulting work might be a good fit. Impressive. It was relevant, it was personal, and it showed she had done her homework. We didn't do a deal, but I remember her. And that's what a great cold call does. It builds trust in seconds. Here are 6 practical real-world sentences you can memorize, practice, and use confidently even as a non-native speaker. Just change the name, company, and service depending on your business. Let's break them down using real examples from my business, helping Korean families explore education in Hawaii. Sentence 1. Hi, this is Bruce from Action Through Education. Since we haven't spoken before, I'll keep this brief. Why this works. It's respectful, professional, and right to the point. Sentence 2. I came across your panel discussion on Hawaii school admission at the Case Study Expo. It was insightful. This shows that you paid attention and you're not randomly calling. Sentence 3. I help Korean parents navigate the Hawaii private school application process, especially families who don't know where to begin. It should be clear and direct. You're solving a real problem, not using vague language like, we offer customized services. Sentence 4. Can I take 30 seconds to explain why I reached out? This gives you control and makes you sound professional and polite. Sentence 5. I'll be direct. We can help you avoid costly application mistakes and save 6 to 12 months of confusion. You're not selling a service. You're offering a real benefit. Show them how their life gets better if they talk to you. Sentence 6. If now isn't a good time, I'll send a short email instead. Just let me know. This removes pressure. You're here to help, not push. What not to do. 5 mistakes that will kill your call. Number 1, don't say, how are you today? It sounds scripted. You don't know them yet. Number 2, don't apologize too much. You're not interrupting or annoying them. You're offering value. Number 3, don't start with a long self-introduction. Save your life story for later. Focus on them. Number 4, avoid vague phrases like, we offer smart, innovative solutions. What does that even mean? Be specific. Number 5, don't read your script like a robot. Practice, yes, but speak like a human. Native English speakers don't want fluff. They want clarity, relevance, and value. If you respect their time, if you've done your homework, if you offer something real, you won't just sound fluent. You'll sound trustworthy. Coming up next week, if you're a finance professional, this one's for you. We're diving into the toughest challenge in your industry. How do you make a cold call that gets results without sounding pushy or fake? Don't miss it. One sentence can open the door. Trust me, you're going to want to see that one. Thanks for watching English with Bruce. Until next time, speak clearly, lead with value, and don't fear the cold call. If this helped you, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share it with someone afraid to pick up the phone.